Build AI apps with Python in NeoVim. Episode 16. The RAG pipeline. Episodes 12 through 15 built the pieces. Text splitting, embeddings, vector store. Now we connect them. Retrieve, augment, generate. The complete RAG pipeline. The pattern behind every AI Q&A app. Today, a programming language knowledge base. Ask questions, get accurate answers. A new file. The complete RAG pipeline in one script. Episode 16. Retrieve, augment, generate. The 3 steps of RAG. This episode ties together everything from episodes 12 through 15. Four imports. os.env, Anthropic for Claude, ChromaDB for the vector store. .env loads the API key from the .env file. Same pattern as episode 1. 2 AI systems working together. ChromaDB finds relevant docs. Claude generates answers. This is the first time we combine vector search with language generation. Load.env reads the environment file. Now both API keys are available. Anthropic client for Claude. ChromaDB client for the vector store. Create a collection named Knowledge. Think of it as a searchable database. Five documents about programming languages. Our knowledge base. Python, JavaScript, Rust, Go, TypeScript. 5 factual paragraphs. Each document has the creator, year, and primary use cases. Paste the documents. ChromaDB will embed them automatically. Collection.add. Documents and IDs go in together. ChromaDB embeds every document automatically. No manual embedding code. Pass the documents list. 5 paragraphs about programming languages. Each document gets a unique ID lang 1 through lang 5. Close the add call. 5 documents indexed and searchable. Print confirmation. Knowledge base is loaded. Save. Knowledge base ready. Now the ask function. The ask function? This is the RAG pipeline in one function. Define ask with a question parameter. Print the question. A separator line for clean output formatting. Step 1. Retrieve. Query the vector store with a question. Collection.query. Pass the question as query text. Extract the document texts from the results. N results equals 2. Return the two most similar documents. Close the query call. Results come back as a dictionary. Join the retrieved documents into a single context string. Extract the document list. Print how many were retrieved. The question never goes directly to Claude. Vector store first. Step 2. Augment. Build a prompt that includes the context. An F-string template. Use this context to answer the question. If the answer is not in the context, say you do not know. The context goes in the middle. Retrieved documents from step 1. The question goes at the end. Claude sees context and question together. Step 3. Generate. Send the augmented prompt to Claude. Messages.create. The same API call from episode 1. Claude Haiku model. Fast and accurate for Q&A tasks. Max tokens 300. Keep the answer concise. System prompt says answer from context only. No markdown formatting. The augmented prompt goes in as the user message. Close the create call. Claude processes context plus question. Print the answer. Claude responds using only the retrieved context. Three questions to test the pipeline. Who created Python? What is Rust used for? Which language was made by Google? Each retrieves different documents. Save and run. The complete RAG pipeline. Watch the 3 steps happen for each question. Knowledge base loaded. 5 documents indexed in ChromaDB. Question 1. Who created Python? Guido van Rossum, 1991. From the context. Without RAG, Claude answers from training data. With RAG, from your data. Question 2. What is Rust used for? Systems programming and WebAssembly. Question 3. Which language was made by Google? Go, created in 2009. 3 questions. 3 accurate answers, all from the knowledge base. Retrieve, augment, generate. The pattern behind every AI Q&A app. Back to top. The ask function. 3 steps, 1 RAG loop. Recap. 3 key takeaways. First, retrieve finds relevant documents from the vector store using the question. Second, augment builds a prompt with the retrieved context and the question together. Third, generate sends the augmented prompt to Claude. Context plus question equals accurate answer. Thanks for watching. Next episode. Multi-document RAG.